Guys, today I'm super excited to be showing this, the E910 5.8GHz wireless gaming headset from EKSA. Want to know more? Well, stick around, I'll be right back.
Thinking about you, like drinking some TV. Felt like I was drinking.
What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos on all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, let's take a look in the box.
One more sip and here we go.
Now, here you get some instructions, a USB-C charging cable, thank goodness for that. At last, tech companies making the switch, we like that. There's also a 3.5mm cable and the all-important 5.8GHz USB transceiver. And to round off, as a nice touch, you also get a stand, which is pretty thoughtful. Now guys, this connects to a wide list of games consoles, including PlayStations, Nintendos, Xboxes, and of course PCs and Macs. Now to the headset itself. Well, this feels pretty premium. Durable plastics, stainless steel, soft fake leather, and memory foam. Honestly, they feel really, really nice. And now, of course, everybody wants to know about specs, so you get the 5.8GHz USB wireless connection. You have zero tangible latency, virtual 7.1 surround sound. You have something that's called ENC, which is it's like ANC, but it's environmental noise cancelling, so that's interesting. You've got one key switch sound mode. You've got the retractable unidirectional microphone. You've got a 4-hour charge time, 10 hours of actual usage, and what they seem to say a lot on the box, it's mentioned a lot in the box, the paperwork, you've got this 15 milliseconds delay time. So interesting. Now onto that retractable microphone. Well, that's pretty cool. So you can fold it away, push it in, push it out. That's nice. So you don't have to have it out if you're just listening to audio or maybe watching a film. You've also got the left and right marked on the ear cups, and I've seen this a lot recently. Don't know why people are doing it, but they are, and you know what? That's helpful. On the left ear cup, you have all of your controls. Volume wheel, which I prefer to, some of these sliding sensors that you get. You also get, I feel, a much better feel for what you're doing with a nice rotary control. You also have a power button and a mute button, and the power button also doubles up as the button that activates the virtual 7.1 surround sound mode. And then of course you have your all-important USB connector. Now turn this headset on and you are greeted with some audible instructions. You have a blue power light, and as in true gaming fashion, both ear cups have an illuminated logo, adding to the cool factor. I like it, it's nice. Now, sound quality. Well, the quality is pretty good, but it's geared more to bass than treble. But if you really want to tweak the headset and try and get the best out of the audio, then hop over to the EKSA website where you can download the utility software. Now, this software enables you to customize pretty much everything, including sound, EQ, microphone, noise cancellation, and that virtual surround sound. And you know what? You can also do an audio test. There's some audio there, so you can actually test the virtual surround sound, so that's pretty cool too. Now, in using this headset, I felt that audio was good. Like I said, the bass was a little bit heavy. You missed a little bit of that top end, but you could still make out everything that was going on, so it didn't really detract away from the experience. However, the microphone wasn't so great. Now, it's good enough, especially at a price point of less than £70 in the UK, but I feel like they could have probably done a little bit more with the microphone. Now, to summarize, I'm going to say this is a nice headset. The sound quality is good and they are comfortable. I wore these for a couple of hours and didn't experience any discomfort or fatigue or anything like that. I think the 5.8 GHz tech is pitched at being more stable than Bluetooth, and of course pairing is automatic, so that's quite a nice touch with that as well. Obviously it does rely on you having to have a device with a USB-A socket in order to plug that transceiver on, but that's pretty standard now, although USB-C is becoming quite prevalent as we've seen, so I guess you'd have to use some kind of adapter if you didn't have any USB-A sockets. Now again, I'll say these headphones are well built. I think they're pretty good. Like I said, fake leather, plastic, stainless steel, and you know what? They've kept the weight down to about 250 grams, so I think that's pretty good as well. So like I said, sound quality is okay. I think music and films, the sound quality is good too, and at less than £70, they are good value for money. So guys, that pretty much wraps up this quick review. A big thank you to you guys for watching. Big thank you to EKSA for sending me these to review. As you know, you always get an honest review from me, whether I'm sent something or whether I buy it with my own money. If you have any comments or questions, then please leave them in the comments section below. And until then guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Please like, please subscribe, and yeah, you know the drill. Smash that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.